Alright, so let's go over the last feature here on our display, and that's located in the upper right hand corner with the screwdriver and the wrench. And this will bring down a tab from the top, and there are three tabs here: a getting around tab, a task tab, and an analysis tab. The getting around tab is for panning around, zooming in and out, as well as being able to go back to the home page. Now the task tab, when you click on this, you'll see there's a few options here, and primarily this is used for drawing tools on the viewer. And anytime you do a drawing, they will not save if you close out of the viewer, but they will be printed if you use the print map function to the left. So let's say theoretically I have a driveway right over here, and let's draw it in, and we'll add the point for the corresponding new building. And so let's say that that's a new address and I wanted to report that. So you can report this issue if you have the PDF. So if you print that, you will notice that those drawings are still on the printed map. Now likewise, if you don't like your drawings, you simply just hit clear all drawings, or you can just refresh the page and it will get rid of your sketches. And then the final tab is the analysis tab, and you can use that to identify any of our data simply by using any of these tools. And it will have all the data in our database related to those particular points that you selected. Alright, so let's do a couple examples here. In this case, I want to use the rectangle identify tool right here. So if you select this, you note that it is highlighted, and to be able to pan on the map again, you simply just check it again and it will be unhighlighted, and then you're free to pan on the map. But for my example, I'll highlight it and simply click and hold your selection on the map, and you'll notice that the left hand tab is now populated with the following of addresses followed by landmarks, and then roads, driveways, and then footprints. So in this case, let me select a point. It will zoom me over to that location. As well, you'll notice in the left hand tab all the data related to that point in our database. And if you scroll all the way down, you can notice a few things. For example, an update date, which that's the last time that anyone here at our office has updated this point, either by moving it or received any changes in addresses, or just it was touched in some way, shape, or form. And you'll notice right above that is the GPS points for where that point is currently located as well. Now let me go back by using the back arrow over here and do the same thing and select a road. Now this is a road segment, so road segments are from intersection to intersection, and you may have noticed back there that there was a lot of roads selected for State Street, and each one of those is a road segment. So in this case, I just happen to choose this one from the intersection of Governor and Davis Ave and Elm Street. And so doing that same scrolling down, you can see all the information in regards to this road. Now if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see right here the geoname ID. This geoname ID is unique for each individual road, not road segment, but each individual road for each town. And this number is never ever going to change in our database, which can be quite helpful for your tax records or your parcel records, for example. As well, if you scroll down, you'll notice that we do have a map year and update date at the top as well for when it was added to the map, in this case January 18th of 2012. So with that pretty much sums up the analysis tools, and be sure to follow up with us or your town coordinator if you have any questions or any addressing issues.